Hi, I'm Mel Kluhsman of KRC Racing in Lockwood, Missouri, and today I'm going to show you all the kart parts that we make at the shop. I usually don't get the new ones. I got to test them and then get them on mine, so mine may look a little old, but we still have them brand new in the box for you. And I'll show you every part we have on it. Right here is our catch can, and we also make the bracket that goes on it, which is a 5/8 for the 5/8 tubing. And don't pay attention to the bumper. One of my buddies gets pretty rough with me every once in a while. Right here is the oil filler cap. Here is our laser toe alignment. That's really cool. There's 3 pieces to that. You can kind of see it here and here. And then I'm going to go up to the motor right now. We run all methanol. And these are Tillerson adjustment knobs. They're different lengths. And they also have notches in them, so you can tell if they're high or low, which one every screw you got to turn on. Here is our header system. It's a stud 12-point system that your header will never fall off on. It's pretty cool. Here's our starter nuts that we make. Here's a new aluminum one. I did snatch one of those. But we make them in steel and for 3 different types. We make them for clone, and metric, and the animals. Here's another cap that we make, oil cap, and then here is a little device that actually, it's got a vacuum to the pump, so it gets the crankcase pressure to power the fuel pump. Now while we're here, we also make these aluminum chain guards, which is a must, and they're short. Some people have long ones. I only can't get it, but this is fairly short, you can see, and they work really well because the chain does come apart. And up here is our sprocket chain alignment product, and that comes in 3 sizes. It comes in 218, 520, and 35. Sorry about that. And then right here is our lock, our toe lock, and you need to have that because if you use your laser alignment system, you'll need to lock the steering wheel so you get the product, or get your steering wheel right where it needs to be. Now over here is our brake cap, which is fairly simple. And then here is our lug nuts. We make, and also the wheel studs. You'll see they're a bullet wheel stud. They're real handy. We make a lot of stuff for NASCAR, all the lug nuts and wheel studs and pit sockets for them. So we make them for the go-karts too. And then last but not least is our neck brace. This is kind of dirty because it's been used, but we do sell a lot of these. I don't know, we probably sell a couple thousand a year of them. They're fairly inexpensive. I think they're around 15 bucks or something like that. And then our last product is a new helmet tear-off post stud. And what's so nice about this stud is it's wide enough that the tear-offs won't all pull off at once, and it has a locking screw. Here's the screw for the helmet, and here's the locking screw. So when you turn it back, you just turn that a quarter of a turn, and you're good to go. Well, that's about it today. I hope you guys go to our website, krcracing.com, and go to our YouTube sites. And if you need any questions, just feel free to call us. I'm Mel, and see you at the races.